The management of keys used in plant office or business organization to prevent unauthorized access is referred to as A. Security control, B. Lock control, C. Key control, D. Key management. Answer C. Key control. This type of alarm system utilizes a station located outside the compound. A. Auxiliary system, B. Proprietary system, C. Central alarm system, D. Local alarm system. Answer C. Central alarm system. It is installed as part of the building, which holds 10,000 cubic meters of essential items, at least 12 feet in height, with enough ventilation and fireproof of at least 1 hour. A. Protective cabinet, B. File room, C. Vault, D. Safe. Answer B. File room. It is the susceptibility of a plant or establishment to damage, loss, or disruption of operations due to various hazards. A. Risk analysis, B. Risk assessment, C. Relative vulnerability, D. Relative criticality. Answer C. Relative vulnerability. It refers to the importance of the establishment with reference to the national economy and security. A. Risk analysis, B. Risk assessment, C. Relative vulnerability, D. Relative criticality. Answer D. Relative criticality. A fact-finding proved to determine a plant adequacy and deficiency in all aspects of security with the corresponding recommendation. A. Security audit, B. Security survey, C. Security inquiry, D. Security operations. Answer B. Security survey. Issued by the security guard for personnel to be admitted to the company. A. Juris code, B. Pass system, C. ID, D. Access list. Answer B. Pass system. In close-in security formations, one-man security covers A. 360 degrees, B. 180 degrees, C. 45 degrees, D. 90 degrees. Answer A. 360 degrees. An authenticated list of personnel given to security allowing entry to compound or installation or part thereof. A. Pass system, B. ID, C. Access list, D. Juris code. Answer C. Access list. A metallic container used for the safekeeping of documents or small items in an office or installation. A. Steel cabinet, B. Drawer, C. Basket, D. Safe. Answer D. Safe.